Hello students, this is our second lecture about matter. We are going to start where we left in previous lecture. Today's topic is composition of matter. First discuss the historical background. First, Maharishi Konad, an Indian philosopher, suggests that all forms of matter are composed of very small particle. He called them anu. I am underline this word anu, and each anu may be made up of still smaller particle called paramanu. Now discuss that anu and paramanu in detail. And Greek philosopher Democritus also called the smallest particle of matter as atom. Atom means it is equivalent to Rishi Konad's paramanu. Okay. Now this Democritus is around 460 before Christ. Okay. Now finally John Dalton, an English chemist, in 1803 gives the modern concept of building block of matters. He told that matter is made up of molecules, and a molecule is made up of one or more than one atoms of same kind or different kind. Now understand the concept with the help of an example. See, here is a oxygen. Suppose in your room there are lakhs of oxygen molecules. Suppose there are 500 liters of oxygen. Okay, so in that 500 liter of oxygen there are lakhs of oxygen molecules. It is oxygen molecule, the chemical formula of oxygen molecule. Now this oxygen molecule is made up of 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, and now understand, if you have a matter and you is going to break continuously that matter in smaller and smaller particles, then it will become a molecules. You get lakhs of molecules. Now molecules is the independent existing part of matter. Now molecules can be made of atoms. Those atoms may be of same kind or different kind. That oxygen molecule is made up of 2 same kind of atoms, which is oxygen atoms. But in case of water, you know, in one water droplet there is 10 to the power 21 number of water molecules. So 10 to the power 21 number of water molecules means it is like that if I put 21 0 after 1, then it will be 10 to the power 21. So this much number of molecule contains in a water droplet. Okay, so you can imagine that how much small the molecules is. Okay, now in case of water, this is the chemical formula of water, and you see H2O here, 2 hydrogen atoms, H means hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom combined and make a water molecule. So in water droplet there is a property of water. So in molecules all the properties of that matter exist, but when it comes to the atomic level, then in atoms all the properties of water molecule does not exist, because there is no water at all. It is hydrogen and it is oxygen. So up to the molecular level, the independent existence of matter's property is exist, but in case of atoms there are no independent existence. Okay, now let's summarize the topic again. if I break a matter into smaller parts, so I get a independent existence part is called molecule, and if I again break molecule into parts, I get atoms. Okay, up to this, according to the John Dalton's concept, atom is the smallest part of the matter, but later we know atoms also can be broken into the particles. Those particles are proton, neutron and electrons. Okay, this is in higher class, we will discuss that topic later. Okay, thank you.